Hi, I am Melvin. I am from Thuthukudi. I have completed my BCA in Shastra University at Kumbakonam. Next I have joined QSpiders for software developer course. First I will start in SQL in Sangeet sir. He was a good trainer. He will teaching about all queries, all type of queries. He was teaching very well. Next, after completing SQL, I will join Java with Nandi sir batch. He is also a good trainer. He was teaching about all loops concept. And clearly he will teaching loops concept all the above. Next I will join in webtech batch in Tamil sir. Tamil sir is also good, one of the good trainer in web technologies. Thank you, Jspiders.